him. In this lecture, I have solved PMS screening test taken on 18 June 2021 at morning time 10 a.m. Let's start. Total member of G77. So the current total member of G77 group is 134. Capital of Oman is Muscat. President of China is Xi Jinping. Brasilia of Pakistan is called Islamabad. Allama Iqbal Airport is located in Lahore. Speaker KPK Assembly is Mushtaq Ghani. Land of White Elephant is called Thailand. First US President is George Washington. Capital of Turkey is Ankara. Capital of KSA is Riyadh. City of Canals is called Venus. Largest planet is Jupiter. Kigali is the capital of Rwanda. Durand line separate Pakistan and Afghanistan. First Nobel Prize to Asian was given in the field of literature. New name of Burma is Myanmar. India wins freedom, written by Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Headquarter of SAARC is in Kathmandu, Nepal. Land of midnight sun is called Norway. Longest river in the world is Nile. Longest river of Asia is Yangtze. 2021 Senate election deputy chairman candidate from Treasury bench from government party was Mirza Afridi. Senate 2021 chairman candidate from opposition was Gilani. Senate chairman election 2021 was held on 4 March. Gorbachev was the USSR last president. So there was a question about the aim of its revolution. Antonym of endowment. G77 consists of how many countries? Idioms. Get into hot water. मुसीबत में फंस जाना. Currency of Algeria is dinar. Currency of Austria euro. Currency of Cambodia real. Currency of Argentina peso. Peso is the currency of Argentina. Gateway to East Beirut. City of Canals Venus. Brasilia Pakistan Islamabad. Land of White Elephant Thailand. Land of Midnight Sun Norway. PM of Palestine Shtaye. President of China Xi Jinping. Broadway Street is famous for cinema halls. New name of Burma is Myanmar. Capital of Turkey Ankara. Capital of Senegal Dakar. Capital of Oman Muscat. Capital of Saudi Arabia Riyadh. Kigali is the capital of Rwanda. Author of India wins freedom Abul Kalam Azad. First President of USA Washington. Headquarter of SAARC Nepal. Era from 2006 to 2015 is term is terrorism and security by SAARC. On which date PM Imran Khan gained a vote of confidence 6 March. Allama Iqbal International Airport is in Lahore. Who is the current speaker of KPK Assembly? Mushtaq Ghani. First Nobel Prize to an Asian was given in the field of literature. Durand line separate Pakistan and Afghanistan. Study of heaven is called uranology. Idioms. Throw dust, dhoka dena, to deceive. Flogging a dead horse, to waste energy and time. To throw a glow, to accept defeat. Turn the new leaf, to change old habits and adopt new ones. Currency of Argentina is peso. City of midnight is called Norway. Currency of Cambodia real. Currency of Algeria dinar. Broadway Street is famous for cinema hall. Study of heaven is called uranology. Usurp antonym is inherent. Veracious antonym is dishonest. Jovial antonym gloomy. Jovial खुशी को कहते हैं, gloomy गम को कहते हैं. Veracious सच्चा, dishonest बेईमान. Endowment unsure is the antonym of endowment. Oblation is the antonym of negation. Vacillate is the antonym of resolute. Germinate is the antonym of decay. decay. Sanguine is the antonym of pessimistic. Factitious ये झूठा को कहते हैं, नकली is the antonym of genuine. Abhor is the synonym of detest, दोनों नफरत को कहते हैं. Huddle is the synonym of crowd, ये दोनों हुजूम को कहते हैं. Insipid is the synonym of tasteless, दोनों बेमज़ा को कहते हैं. Delectable is the synonym of delicious. Rich तबाहल को कहते हैं. Rich is the synonym of miserable. Iconic मुख्तसर को कहते हैं. Iconic is the synonym of concise, दोनों मुख्तसर को कहते हैं. Gruesome का synonym आया था. Longest travel of the world, Nile. Longest travel of Asia, Yangtze, ये चाइना में है Yangtze. Senate chairman election 2000 was held on 12 March. Gorbachev of USSR, aim of revolution. Peso is the currency of both Chile and Colombo. Currency of Austria is euro, and the currency of European Union is also euro. Gateway to east is Beirut. City of canal is Venice. Brasilia, Pakistan is Islamabad. Land of white elephant is Thailand. Capital of Turkey is Ankara. Capital of Senegal is Dakar. Capital of Oman, Muscat. Abul Kalam Azad wrote the